Damages are inevitable. Or are they? Large containers are preferably packaged flat. An incorrect folding damages the entire fleet while piling up the boxes. Huge loss. Now imagine a transport rack that is indestructible, weatherproof, dustproof, not forced with corrugated plastic. It's tight and easy to assemble and disassemble. So here's a step to revolutionize transport packaging by combining the strength of steel and low handling weight of plywood. A hybrid packaging with a pallet of steel and an upper structure of plywood. Clip-Lok's CombiBox. Indestructible steel pallets, long-running, stacking-suitable design without maintenance, which mitigates storing costs. The breakable soft material is positioned inside the pallet geometry. As a result, the indestructible pallet takes the first hit, leaving the upper structures current. When flat-packed, the void underneath the sides and the lid could be used to accommodate any kind of dunnage. With Clip-Lok stacking corners, it can be folded steadily with the friction of the wood against the steel. Reusable and recyclable, with minimized risk of fibrous dirt and contamination. Here's to revolutionizing transport packaging with hybrid packaging. A combination of wood and steel which renews and recycles forever. CombiBox.